Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, once again, amazing video. So be tuned till the last and see what type of businesses you will take from here, and you will surely gonna make a lots of money. So today we are going to make a lots of money using Claude AI. How you can make? So here I will provide you 50 business idea. Just you see 50 business idea on which you will implement and you will make more money. Every niche is available. If you want to give freelance service, 8 ideas is available. If you want to sell digital product, 6 ideas is available. Content creator, 6 idea. AI chatbot and automation, 6 idea. Consulting and coaching, 5 ideas. No code SaaS tool, everything is available. If you are in any niche, you should try this to see. If you want to give freelance service, what should you provide? I am telling you what should you provide. So you can provide AI copywriting. How you can provide? You can just write a amazing AI converting sales page for email sequences. Copy for business using Claude. Most small businesses desperately need this because copy but cannot afford large agency. That's why you can create. What are the steps to create an AI copywriting agency? First, create a Fiverr or Upwork profile with the niche. The niche, everything given. Pick one niche and specialize on it. Use Claude to generate 3 to 5 variation of every deliverables and deliver it within 2 days. Because if you can deliver it within 2 days, then the client will think that he is a very nice worker and he completing all the work on time and before time. So what prompt you can use? See, I have provided prompt also. Second, here comes SEO blog writing service. How you can write fully search engine optimized blog writing. So here steps is also available. Find client on Upwork, call DMs, marketing, managing LinkedIn. Use Claude for writing this much and offer package of 4 articles per month. You can charge in between anything. Then your LinkedIn ghostwriting. This is very much important because nowadays LinkedIn is rapidly growing. So many are wanting their written post. So how you can provide? By writing LinkedIn ghostwriting. Very easy. Just create 3 onboarding docs. Ask for top 3 content goal, tone of voice, and 5 topic they care about. Use Claude to batch generate 10 to 15 posts per session and client approves weekly. Here call DM, you can up to find who 500 to 5,000 followers who post inconsistently. Tell them that I will help you in post on inconsistent and charge in 15,000 20,000 per month. Here available prompt is available. Then email sequence writing. This is very important. So nowadays, if you are reaching to any unknown client, then you should focus on email. How I will write email so that it will give me response. So here email. So resume and LinkedIn profile writing is also available. Then your social media content calendar service. Create 30-day social media content plan with caption, hook and hashtag for small business. Everything available. Implementation, how you can implement and what type of prompt you should. Then business planning writing. This is also, if you want to start a business, you should plan something, no? How you will plan? By using this. Okay. How you can create a client intake form, industry, target market, funding, task, revenue model, and design in a Canva template. And for professional presentation, you can do. Okay. So let me zoom it little bit. Then your product description writing for e-commerce. So you can write a very amazing SEO friendly description on the product. Just nothing you have to do. See, every steps is available. Read and proceed. Just you have to give only 6 months and see the result. Only 6 months you give, then you come to this video and comment below that brother, I have used your PDF and your business idea and I am earning lots of money. So if you want this PDF, so many PDF is many ideas is available. Total 50 ideas there. I cannot cover in single video. That's why I have created a PDF. If you want this PDF, link is present in the description. Go and try this because this era will go means you can't make more money. So for such content you can follow me and also subscribe me. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye. Thank you for watching.